Time is ticking by, the world is standing by, images getting worse, voices getting hoarse, children blown to bits, no one calling quits, humans burnt alive, no chance to survive, mother scream in pain, exploded child brains, unborn in the womb, straight to the tomb, dreams killed, ambitions unfulfilled, shaking from the shock, death around the clock. Still they insist, toddlers are terrorists, terror in children's eyes, bombs rain from the skies, calling for their mom who was crushed by a bomb. You say we terrorize? Come, see our skies. Yes, that is a dare. Let's see how much you bear. No gluten for your bread, no graves for our dead. No power or water, just barbaric slaughter. Body parts unclaimed, breathing bodies maimed. The rotten stench of death. No time to catch a breath. No time to mourn or think. More hits before we blink. Hospitals under attack, trying to make us crack. But little do they know, even an embryo who's born on this land is born to withstand, born to resist with the right to exist. Resilience is bred. It's our butter and bread. We will not leave our land. Why won't they understand? Threatened by babies, children and ladies, from far the cowards kill. Afraid the truth will spill. They can pay for their lies with their diplomatic ties. But the truth is free with the eyes you can see. Apocalyptic views, yet lies on the news are stories for views, not to actually be told. The media's controlled. Their news is mostly fake. AI photos that they make. We're robbed of dignity because we want the world to see. Look and open your eyes. Still, the world denies. The truth is unveiled. Humanity has failed.
Give them hell.
They tweet from their rich and comfy seat. Hearts hardened and blind. Brainwashed, confined. Who gets to decide? Whose murder's justified? Who gets to pick? This all makes me sick. We went back a century. Holocaust, slavery, white superiority. Animals are not so cruel. They don't mock and ridicule. Making TikToks of our pain, that's below inhumane. But the people awaken, outspoken, unshaken. Go, shut our accounts. We know you know our counts. That's why we're a threat. We simply make you sweat. If the G word is banned, it means you understand there is blood on your hands. Go censor and delete. Let history repeat. Politicians, two-faced. Our vote, what a waste. They're sly as a fox with their self-righteous talks. There must be judgment day, 'cause there is a price to pay. I heard a child scream. I wish it was a dream. This is reality. Shame on humanity. Time is ticking by. The world is standing by. But decades from today, we can proudly say I felt a fire in my chest and I passed this test. At least we say we tried to end this genocide.